heartbreaker. We had a big crowd here, and Jeff was being right down the road. They were really wanting to pull this one off. Right now, these things number 10 down the front of that a little bit more into that motor.
Oh, God.
So Friday night next week, ladies and gentlemen, to save your tickets, you'll in for $5 off on Saturday night. We're all on racing. Jeff has a transponder on the sprint car here tonight, so John Burner's got to stop on now. Here's one on the sprint car. Imagine 24 of them on your next Friday. 30 cars, 24 cars. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you just witnessed 16.5-second laps around Can Am, some of the fastest laps ever turned on this speedway. And just lap after lap after lap. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, on Antwerp, New York, driver number 10. That is Jeff Clark. And Jeff will be here next Friday and Saturday night. And folks, this is as close as it gets to him as far as running a home track. So hopefully we'll all get you back out here next Friday and Saturday night to root for this young man as he will bring that 10 out and defend his home.